Well, this could be stupid. Fuck you, TLC. I'll go chasing the waterfalls if I want to. Now, I'm going to film a lot down here, because by the time I get to the top of this fucking thing, I'm sure you're going to hear how out of breath I am and how unfit I am. Now, you're going to hear is heavy breathing, and you're going to think it's an obscene phone call. So no. What the fuck? I'm already struggling. Stupid fucking waterfall. Better be worth it, asshole. Yep. This was a dumb idea. 46 years old, nowhere near as fit as I thought I was. This. So I had to cut it there, because just as I was about to go on this epic rant about how disappointed I was in this waterfall, turning around, flipping it off and calling the waterfall a C word, because my toilet flushes harder than that fucking thing. And I thought, I've travelled all this way and journeyed this epic fucking hill. Yeah, it wasn't that bad, it was just I'm unfit. And then this lady, roughly about my age, maybe a little younger, I don't know, hard to tell, I wasn't going to ask. She's come into view and I'm like, oh, I better not be turning around and calling everything in the world a C-bomb. So we had a little brief chat. She's a local. She likes coming up there, not on the weekend when there's not as many touristy type people. So we had for maybe 5 minutes. She told me about a really cool other place to go to. I thought, cool, I'll try that another day. Bit of a dirt road, so she goes, just take it easy on the car. Cool, thanks. And yep, yes, and I journeyed on back down. But let me tell you, that waterfall, disappointing. Absolutely shitful. I was expecting not Niagara Falls, but better than that. Ah, well, what do you do, huh? I should have listened to TLC. They were right all along. So I'm on the way back down now. Gravity's definitely helping. It seems faster on the way down. Ferns. All I'm seeing everywhere is these goddamn fucking ferns. Seriously, a bit of variety would be nice. Yep, seems like Wednesdays every fortnight is a fern day. Well, it should have been.